are the cutest thing I think I've ever seen. You are the cutest thing I think I've ever seen. It's those lips, those eyes, them hips, that smile. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you.
We have 5 dogs and 1 skin puppy, and between all of them, our stuff goes through. So when we moved, we knew we wanted a couch that could put up with their filth. We got our Pavison sectional shipped right to our door. Skin Puppy has thoroughly tested it and approves. So have the dogs. Machine washable covers are a must in Skin Puppy and dog homes. It's big enough for 2 adults to sleep on. If you're a skin pup or dog owner, check out the wide variety of couches offered by Pavison that can be shipped right to your door.